Welcome back to Dino's Dinners. I'm Dino. Tonight I'm going to make a recipe that I saw online. It's involved. It's potatoes, hamburger, onion, green pepper, tomatoes, some spices. I'm going to make a few changes that works for me. And at the end of the video, I will taste it and let you know what I think of it. If it's good, bad, or indifferent, as usual. So, let's do this. Okay, the first part of this recipe calls for slicing up 3 potatoes, about that thick, 1/4 of an inch maybe. Put them in the frying pan. Gotta heat it up first. Don't mind me, it's been a long day. Medium heat, we're gonna put these in there and cook them until they are golden brown. And then we'll do the next step. The recipe calls for oil. I don't know what kind of oil she was talking about. It could have been corn oil or vegetable oil. They're not good for you, supposedly, but I'm using olive oil. The other oils, yeah, they're not good for you. But then again, neither is drinking whiskey on a regular basis. But anyways, I'm letting this heat up in the pan. When I feel some serious heat here, I'm going to put the 3 potatoes sliced in there and, yeah, do my thing. Well, we're getting there. They're not golden brown yet. It's been at least 5 minutes. We're on medium heat. Might be a little while longer. Well, the potatoes are softening up. Not quite to golden brown yet. Again, she said medium heat. That's where I'm at. I'm not sure how long I've been cooking these. It's probably been at least 15 minutes. Some of them are getting golden brown, but they are softening up. So I'm going to go ahead with the next step, which is to add a tablespoon of salt, pepper, and paprika. So, tablespoon, that's a lot. Yeah, something like that. Salt. Now, I don't want to do a whole, I want to do about half. There we go. That's pepper. Pepper in recipes is always less than the salt. Now paprika, yeah, I like paprika. Load this baby up. Boom. Okay. Now I gotta mix that real well. Yeah, let's get it all over. Oops. How can this not be delicious? And we're just starting. All right, now we got to put it in a tray. There we whatever this thing's called. Spread that out good. Okay, the next step is to cook or saute 700 grams of ground beef. I have no idea what 700 grams is, so I'm going to put a lot of ground beef in here. Woo. We'll see. Alrighty, now that that's pretty well cooked, we want to add 2 cloves of garlic, which doesn't seem like it's enough, because I love garlic, and 1 full chopped onion. Yeehaw! There we go. And we got to stir that in, mix it up. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let me see here. Oh, okay. Once that's mixed, got to add salt, paprika, and bell pepper. All right, we can do that. Let's see here. Tablespoon of salt. Again? All right. Paprika. Salt and paprika. Okay. Bear with me. Tablespoon. That's a lot of friggin' salt, I think. Oops. Alright, that'll work. Paprika. Come to daddy. Alrighty. There. Stir that up. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. Plus I want to add, it says a half a bell pepper and a half a red pepper. I don't have a red pepper, so I'm going to use a whole bell pepper. Sounds like a good math thing. Math thing, Dean? Oh, that's looking good, isn't it? Alright, let's put in my bell pepper. Yeah. Yeah, I'm using these high-tech plates. Okay, gonna mix this up. Looking pretty. Oh, that's a lot of hamburger. Crap. And half. Oh, gotta put tomato sauce on top of this. All right. Gotta put tomato sauce on top of this. This will be fun. My oven just hit the temperature it needs. Alright, that's mixed in there. Didn't say how much, oh, 300 grams of tomato sauce. What's with grams anymore? This is America. We do ounces, we do pounds, we do inches and feet. We don't do grams. Unless you're measuring that illegal stuff. Which I don't have anything to do with. Okay, so anyways, we're going to put, there we go. I'm using, I love this stuff, Paul Newman's own roasted garlic. This is delicious, folks. On spaghetti, whatever you want to make. I'm going to load this in here. Oh, well, that's a little more than, it didn't even say, did it? Okay. Mix well. All right. Delicioso. Don't tell anybody I use my finger. Won't matter because I'm the only one eating this. Okay, so now we're going to put all that on top of the potatoes. The what thing? Yummy. Yummy, yummy in the tummy. Okay. Sweet. Man, it does smell good, I'll tell you. That smells really good. Okay. Oh. Yes. Now my extra ingredient that is not called for in the current recipe is to put some, whatever these called, tomatoes, grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes over the top. But whatever works for you. And then, now we gotta throw some mozzarella cheese on it. That is mozzarella. Oh, there's my dog. You want some cheese, don't you, girl? I'll save you some. This is going to be delicious. Look at that. Cover this whole thing with mozz cheese. Okay, you want this? Here you go, girl. There you go. Bon appetit. Alrighty, now, right here on our stove, going to put in the oven for 320 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay. Oh, yep. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Woo. Wow. Oh, yeah. There it is. Looks good to me. Looks delicious to me. All right, we'll give it a taste and see what we think. Okay, here we go. There it is, the masterpiece for today. I'll give this a taste. Kind of reminds me of digging out lasagna. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Looks good. Hot. It's hot. It's hot. I can feel the heat on my face. All right, well, let's take a second here. Did you ever notice that when you see a flock of geese fly by overhead, that one side is always longer than the other side? Do you know why that is? There's more geese over there. And here's something else. Have you ever seen a video with a boat and there's a bunch of scuba divers sitting on them and they put their mask on and then they flip over back into the water? Do you know why they do that? Because if they go forward, they'll stay in the boat. Something to think about. Anyways, there's a potato. That was good. It's very good. Bear with me. Delicious. It may take a while to cook it, especially the potatoes, but it's definitely worth it. That is very good. Well, I know, like I say, I know you don't want to watch me eat this, but I'm going to make a major dent in this. It's very, very good. Try the recipe. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. If you can, please subscribe. And keep looking for the next video because it will be probably coming pretty soon. Anyways, thank you all. TTFN and ta-ta for now.